Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Lollipopper Pickaxe in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be really easy. So we're gonna start out with the circle for the big lollipop. So we're just gonna draw one circle, and you don't have to be so perfect on the circle. It's just gonna be because in the game I think it's actually a little bit wobbly. So whatever you can do is fine. So I'm just gonna draw this. Alright, and then once you've drawn a circle like this, just start out on the edge right here. You can make a little mark, and then we're just gonna come in. So it's gonna be very sharp on the corner here. And we're just gonna go all the way around. And try to keep this thickness right here as you keep going in. So I'm just gonna curve it around, and this is gonna tighten up a little bit. All the way in, and I'm just gonna close it off right around here. Alright, so that's the big lollipop, and for the details, there's gonna be a lot of stripes. So, well, let's do that last. Let's draw in the stick first. So in the middle here, let's do the top part. So we're gonna come up. Just draw like two little brackets like this first, and then we're gonna go up. And again, it's supposed to be kind of covered in chocolate, so just have your lines be a little bit wobbly. Okay, and then once you have that, you can draw in some of the drippings. So just draw one curve. And then here you can add a little line here, just another curve, just to show that it's kind of dripping down. And then for the stick itself, we're gonna keep going down. So just kind of keep to the center. I'm just gonna come down and just kind of hook it up, hook it back up, and we're gonna keep doing that. So we're gonna come in, just go out a little bit. So we're gonna start here, come down, just kind of go out, down, just kind of hook it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same like this, but as long as you have these kind of drips right here. Okay, and then on the end, I'm just gonna close it off. And then for the rest of the stick here, we're just gonna keep coming down and just close that off. Alright, so it's super simple. So now let's add in the details, and there's two stripes on each of them. So it's gonna be, so that's gonna be one stripe, and then there's gonna be a smaller stripe. Okay, so it might be a little bit tricky to see with all these lines. So that's one big stripe, and then right next to it, it's gonna be a smaller stripe. So two smaller lines together. Okay, so we're just gonna keep going. One big stripe, and then one smaller stripe. Big stripe, small stripe, and I'm just gonna keep going. Big stripe, small stripe. And you don't have to space it out exactly the same, obviously. Just kind of go at your own pace. You can draw more or less. Okay, so let's see. Keep going. Big stripe, small stripe, and as I come out here on the outside, I'm just gonna draw even bigger stripes. Okay, so big stripe out here, and another small stripe. Big stripe, small stripe, and I think I'm almost done. And just one more right here. And that is it for this Lollipopper Pickaxe in Fortnite. It's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.